everyone, it's Beth from SweetHearts Hair. So welcome to another video. Today I'm with the lovely Danielle. She's on Instagram, Danielle Kimberly XO, and we're going to be doing this awesome woven fishtail braid. I think you're going to love it. I personally find it easier than the normal Dutch fishtail, so hopefully you will too. Let's get started. Okay guys, so I have decided to pull some bits down. You don't have to do this. Danielle's just got some regrowth here from when after she had a baby. She lost a little bit of hair, so she's got all this regrowth. So I'm just kind of covering that regrowth up with some longer strands. I'll do the same on the other side and just clip these out of the way. So to start this style, I'm going to take a slice of hair like that. I'm then going to divide that hair into two like a normal fishtail, like so. Okay, so the first couple of stitches are a bit different, and then it kind of just repeats all the way down. Sorry if you can hear me really short of breath, but like I started this whole annoying new me January thing, and I've been to the gym this morning, now I can't breathe guys, so hopefully you can actually hear what I'm saying through my wheezes. Anyway, so 2 strands, you're going to take a slice from one strand, okay? And this very first slice here is going to go over the top, like that. So it's into the middle, okay? You're then going to take a section from this side, it's a little section, and this section is going to go underneath. So this one went on top, over the top, this one's going to go underneath. And now this one is going to become your new middle section, and how we're going to do that is we're going to pass it over this section here, so it goes over the top, these two get joined together, and this is now your new middle section. So now we're going to sort of like really begin the braid, and this is where the repetitiveness just comes in, so bear with me. At the minute it's a bit complicated. Okay, small section from this big right hand section like that. You're going to take it underneath, and you're also going to add a little slice of hair in. So I've added that slice of hair in, it's gone underneath like that. It's going to go over the top of our middle section, and it's going to become our new middle section, which means that these two need to be joined together like that. So that's now our new middle section. We're going to go again. Small section of hair. We're going to take it underneath our big section here. Underneath it goes. Add a really small slice of hair. So I've added that slice of hair in. It's going to go over the top of our middle section. It's going to become our new middle section, which means that these two are going to get joined together. So we're back with 3 sections again. So at the end of your sort of stitch sequence, you should only have like 3 sections of hair, okay? Take it one more time. Small section of hair goes underneath that section. Add in a slice of hair in. It's going to go over the middle. It's going to become the new middle, which means that these are going to get added together. And then what you're going to do guys is just keep repeating that process, okay? And then at the end I'm going to show you how you can make it really, really big and pretty. So I'm just keeping on going guys, taking that section underneath, grabbing a slice of hair, adding it into that section. So it's gone over my middle one there, this one's getting joined together. That's my new middle, ready to go on the other side. Okay guys, so I've added in all the hair. Can you see I've done quite a mermaid style today? If you wanted to do it tighter to the head, you can do. So I'm just going to continue down, just literally taking slices of hair, taking it underneath, over the top of my middle strand. That's now my new middle strand. That gets added into there, and repeat on the other side. So you've just got to remember guys to keep that as your middle piece. Don't sort of go like that. It's not a Dutch fishtail. You've got to keep that middle piece there so that when you're bringing this section around and underneath, like that, it goes over that middle one. That now becomes your new middle piece, and this gets added in here. It's really easy if you're not thinking. I've done it a couple of times off camera where I've sort of grabbed both bits like that. And then you sort of just a Dutch fishtail then, so make sure that you do keep that middle section of hair all the way down the braid. Now because I've sort of done a very loose mermaid version, I'm going to pull this out in a minute and I think it's going to look great. Because I've done the sort of mermaid one, I'm not just going to kind of grab the hair and put an elastic in. What I'm going to do instead is almost just take these outside sections like that and just sort of take them round the back and put the elastic in round the back, so it's just got that more kind of natural finish to it. And then lastly, again, optional guys, I'm going to start pulling out. So I'm going to start from the bottom, working my way up. So I always say to people, when you're sort of pulling out a braid, just go at it a bit steady at first, get the feel for how easy the strands pull out, because you can always sort of add a bit of extra volume, but if you pull too far, it's a bit of a nightmare to get it back straight again. So just kind of take your time. Just going to start pulling at the edges, and I'm going to decide as I go just how big I want the braid. Okay guys, so pulling is done. Ebony behind the camera said stop Beth, don't do any more, you're going too far, so we've stopped. I'm going to just release these side sections and just give them just a kind of loose, chilled out curl. So thanks so much for watching guys. Please comment, like and subscribe, and I will see you next week for another video. Bye.